Did you know that the future of data centers lies in cutting-edge cable assemblies? As demand skyrockets, traditional copper cables struggle to keep up. Copper cables have long been a staple in data centers due to their cost-effectiveness. But with data rates reaching 224 gigabits per second, these cables face limitations like signal loss and thermal inefficiencies, especially over longer distances. Enter active electrical cables, or AECs. By integrating signal conditioning silicon, AECs can extend transmission distances up to 7 meters or 22.9 feet without signal loss. They offer a significant performance boost over traditional copper while maintaining cost-effectiveness. Active optical cables, or AOCs, replace copper with fiber optics, allowing data to travel up to 100 meters or 328 feet. This innovation not only reduces electromagnetic interference, but also enhances port density and reduces structural weight. Graphene interconnects and high-temperature superconducting cables are on the horizon, promising unprecedented speed and efficiency. These materials could redefine data center infrastructure in the coming years. Stay ahead with Circuit Assembly's custom cable solutions. Like and subscribe for more insights into the future of data center technology.